Hello everyone, my name is Leo and today we're going to learn how to manipulate basic information from Google Analytics into Power BI, okay? We're going to create some simple graphics in which we are going to use two or more information from our Google Analytics account, okay? And then we are going to just create some basic graphics. We're going to learn how to import this data and how to bring them into our graphics. This is a simple video to start our series of videos about Power BI here in the channel. So let's jump right into it. First of all, guys, you're going to open Power BI. You guys can use the free account to create this project. So you're going to open Power BI and we are going to choose a different kind of data that Power BI suggests us to use at the beginning. In this list of options, we can actually search for Google Analytics and choose Analytics as a form of receiving data to our dashboard. You guys are going to connect your account into Power BI and then Power BI is going to find all of the different accounts that you have linked to your email in Google Analytics. And as you guys can see, you have a lot of different data and different metrics: daily active users, new users in 1 day, 28 days, all the data that you need, you have inside of this list. Even the data that Google Analytics receive from Google Ads, for example, if you have both of them linked and you have a campaign going on. In this case, I'm going to select active users, actions in our website, okay? And then I'm going to select a metric of the days, only 1 month, okay? So 31 days, or the last 31 days that Google Analytics received information. Once you select the information you want, you can import this information and save applying to your dashboard, and then you are going to see in the right corner of your screen a tab called Data. In this tab called Data, you can see that you have the metrics that you just imported listed in this tab. And now it's pretty simple. We just have to select the graphics, the kind of graphic that you want to use. In this case, it depends on what data you are going to use. If you are going to use 2 variables, 2 metrics, or 3 or 4 metrics, okay? Once we imported this graphic into our dashboard, okay, the dashboard is this blank canvas that we have. In here is where we put the graphics, the options that we have. In here you can import your graphic. In this case, you guys can see that we have a blank graphic. Once we click in this graphic, we can access the X and Y axis, okay? The X represents the bottom line, the information that is going to be in the bottom, and the Y represents the information that is going to be in the left, in the vertical line of our graphic. In this case, we want a graphic showing the days, right, in the bottom, and the amount of active users, for example, in each day, from day 1 to day 31. With that being said, we are going to put the date in the X axis, and then the active users, or the metric that you are going to show in your graphic, in the Y axis, okay, the vertical axis. And as you guys can see, you can take a look in the visual, the first visual of our first graphic here in Power BI. This is basic manipulation with our data, okay? We can use formulas, we can manipulate our data in our table, but we're going to get to these concepts in other videos, okay? Now I'm going to create the same way the other 2 graphics with the other 2 metrics that we imported, okay? The same way that I created this one, importing our graphic into our dashboard and then just putting in the right point the X and the Y axis, and we are going to see the same graphic once we sort them by ascending order and prioritizing the days of the month. This is basic manipulation. You can also change colors from your graphics, the lines of the graphic, the information written on the graphic, to stylize a little bit your dashboard. But of course, it's a different degree of manipulation here on the app. This way, you guys are going to be able to create your graphics, your basic graphics, to display to your coworkers, to your boss, to your partners, the way that you want. Okay? Stay focused on our channel. We're going to have much more videos about Power BI, creating different tables, manipulating the data from these tables using formulas. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Drop doubts or comments below. That's it. Bye bye.